Bonjour mes amis. Welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language. Today, we are going to learn how to conjugate the French verb nager, which means to swim, with simple examples for beginners. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel Smart Learning Foreign Language, press the bell button, and also like and share this video to help others learn too. And check the description below for the best collection of French books at huge discounted prices and top-rated French online courses with certification. Super reliable and perfect for your learning journey. The verb nager means to swim. It's a regular verb ending in er, but with a small spelling change in the nous form. Let's learn its conjugation step by step with English meanings. Je nage, I swim, tu nages, you swim, informal, il, elle, on nage, he, she, one, swims, nous nageons, we swim. Notice the e before ons to keep the soft g sound. Vous nagez, you swim, formal or plural, ils, elles nagent, they swim, masculine, féminine. Je nage tous les matins. I swim every morning. Nous nageons à la piscine. We swim in the swimming pool. J'ai nagé. I swam. Tu as nagé. You swam. Il, elle, on a nagé. He, she, one swam. Nous avons nagé. We swam. Vous avez nagé. You swam. Ils, elles ont nagé. They swam. J'ai nagé dans la mer hier. I swam in the sea yesterday. Ils ont nagé pendant 2 heures. They swam for 2 hours. Je nagerai. I will swim. Tu nageras. You will swim. Il, elle, on nagera. A, she, one will swim. Nous nagerons. We will swim. Vous nagerez. You will swim. Ils, elles, nageront. They will swim. Demain, je nagerai au lac. Tomorrow, I will swim in the lake. Vous nagerez avec vos amis. You will swim with your friends. Je nageais. I used to swim. Tu nageais. You used to swim. Il, elle, on nageait. Et, she, or one used to swim. Nous nagions. We used to swim. Vous nagiez. You used to swim. Il, elle, nageait. They used to swim. Quand j'étais petit, je nageais souvent. Nous nagions chaque été. So now, you know how to conjugate nager in present, past, future, and imperfect tenses. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Smart Learning Foreign Language and press the bell icon so you never miss a fun lesson. Also, check out the description below for the best collection of French learning books at huge discounted prices. Amazing, reliable French online courses with certification that can boost your learning. Merci beaucoup for watching. À bientôt pour une autre leçon. Visual. Outro music plus screen with subscribe, like and share reminder, plus link to other videos and description prompt.